acids and bases. For this experiment, we're going to measure the unknown pH of an acid, hydrochloric acid, and using a base of sodium hydroxide. Acids have a lower pH than 7 and bases have a higher pH than 7. So by adding a base to an acid, the pH will elevate and we'll find a middle point between the both pHs, thus getting to a neutral phase. The purpose of this experiment is to find a way of getting rid of substances which are acidic or basic in such a way to be harmless to the environment.
For the experiment, we're going to do the neutralization of an acid with a base. For an acid, we're going to use hydrochloric acid and the base is going to be sodium hydroxide. We know the molarity of the base, which is 0.05 molar, and we're going to try to find the molarity of the acid, which is hydrochloric acid. We're going to use phenolphthalein as a pH indicator, which changes to color to pink when the pH reaches 8.
The phenolphthalein is a pH indicator. In acidic solutions it is colorless, and in basic solutions it has the color of pink. So when the solution is neutralized or having a pH more than 7, it's starting to turn pink because it came from an acidic solution to a basic solution. The experiment constantly basically constants in pouring a basic solution into an acidic solution to be neutralized and turning it pink.
So this is the base, sodium hydroxide, with a molarity of 0.05. Alright, this is the unknown substance, which we are going to find out its pH.
5 milliliters.
Alright.
Here we need to add some small drops of the phenolphthalein.
So we add phenolphthalein,
Which is a pH indicator. It must turn pink.
Alright, so now we have the unknown substance here and the base here, which has a molarity of 0.05. So we're gonna add it little by little. Yep.
There it is.
There we go.
Now we have the change. So
Now it's pink.
the initial concentration for the base started here at 34 milliliters. Sorry.
34 milliliters, and it is stopped at
I will need to put until 47.
until 47.
47.6.
This means that we needed to add 13 milliliters of the base in order to neutralize the solution.
The unknown solution.
Alright.
The experiments consist of putting a basic solution with a known pH and concentration into an acid with an unknown concentration. When the solution is neutralized, we will find this with the pH indicator. So then we can find the concentration of the acid. First of all, we should know that the number of moles of an acid and of a base are the same when the solution is neutral. So knowing this, we can isolate the concentration of the acid and get the value of 0.13 molar. With this, we apply the logarithmic function to find the pH, giving us as a result 0.886.
So after mixing the 5 milliliters of the acid with the 13 milliliters of the base, we got to a point where the phenolphthalein turned pink. This tells us the pH is equal to 8. This tells us that with the mathematical method we can make an estimate of the resultant pH when adding acid to base or base to acid. This is useful in for example, when you get rid of lab substances that are acid or basic, and it tells us more or less how much acid or base you need to use to neutralize the given substance.